You get the tongue in there, huh?
Yeah.
Let it rest. See if it's ready. You take it, tap it. You know how to get this?
Yeah.
All right.
I see it.
See the middle part? Go ahead. You do
Right
it.
now? Right now?
Yeah, right now. You hold it there and see. Turn around. All right. Hold it. Don't push it in. Yeah, turn it around. No. Put it in there and see if it's not. No, don't put it down. Yeah, like that. Okay. Then take this.
Very good.
Huh? Take this and put the coal there. Right. Get the coal like that. Okay.
Yeah, great.
Push it down a little bit. Can you see that?
Yeah. Wait, let me change clothes. You should wear gloves.
It's short from me.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll hold it now. Remember, I'm gonna press it on the